The Jordan Spizike Low dark gray is all about understated style, proving that a clean, well-designed sneaker doesn't need flashy colors to stand out. This new release blends iconic elements from the Air Jordan 3, 4, 5, and 6 into one sleek, modern silhouette. Dressed in a tonal dark gray palette, the sneaker uses suede, smooth leather, and subtle elephant print overlays to create depth and texture without being overwhelming. Blacked-out accents on the midsole, outsole, and elephant print give it a grounded, lifestyle-ready vibe, while classic Jordan details like the visible air unit, lace wings, embroidered Jumpman on the tongue, and circular heel branding keep its heritage intact. Perfect for fans who appreciate refined, everyday-ready Jordans, the Spizike Low dark gray is a fresh take on a classic mashup. Sneakerheads can expect this drop in early 2026, mark your calendars.